Hello, welcome back to my magical world of math. Today we are going to learn how to multiply 3-digit into 3-digit numbers in only one line by using Vedic mathematics tricks. Okay, here we are having the number 123 multiplied by 121. 3-digit into 3-digit. To multiply this, how to multiply that? What is the pattern we have to use? That will save us. See, we have three numbers lines, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Isn't it? Three numbers are there. What is the first pattern? Multiply these two. Means units and units. So 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, that is the first step we have to multiply. Then go to the second step. How to multiply? See, these three, that's what I'm writing. That's a numbers. Instead of writing the numbers, I am writing dots so that you can easily understand which are the numbers to be multiplied. Okay. Second step is do the cross multiplication of units and tens place. Okay. That means 3 into 2 and 1 into 2. That means multiply and also add. Cross multiplication and addition. So 1 into 2 is 2. Plus 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, that is the second step. Third step. Same, we have three numbers like this. Units place multiply. Units and tens. So now we will take all the all the three numbers. Units and hundreds. Units and hundreds and tens and tens. Multiply all and also add the numbers. So units and hundreds, like 1 into 1 is 1, plus 1 into 3 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 2 into 2 is 4. 4 here, 4 here. So that is 8. And the next step is 1, 2, 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3 numbers. Don't use this number. Okay. Now multiply tens and hundreds, cross multiplication and addition. Okay. So now we are taking tens place numbers and also 100 place. 2 into 1 is 2, plus 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay. Then one last step we have three numbers like this. Three numbers like this. Once we have left in the first, now we need this tens also. What is left out? Only hundreds. Multiply hundreds and hundreds. Means 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So this is the answer. Okay. If you know this pattern, then it is easy. It is not necessary to write every time. We have to keep that in the mind. What is the pattern? Once if you know the pattern, 3 into 3 multiplication, you can do it in single line and very fast by practicing these type. Now let us see one more multiplication, 3-digit into 3-digit with the same way what we have done before. Here we are not going to write the pattern. We have already learned the pattern. By using the pattern, how to do this, we will see. We know the pattern, we should keep that in the mind. According to that, we are going to multiply it. Okay, let us see that. What is the first number? 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. Next is multiply units and tens. 2 into 6. 2 6. 2 6 are 12. And 3 into 8. 8 3 are 24. What we have to do? We have to add those two. So it will be 36. Write 6 here and 3 and scatter. Okay. 2 steps we have completed. Then we are coming to the third step. What is the third step now? Units and hundreds. Units and hundreds plus tens and tens. Cross multiplication and addition and also the numbers which is in the tens place. Okay. 2 into 2, that is 4. 3 into 4, that is 12. 6 into 8, that is 48. Add all this number. So 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 4 and 1 carry, 5 plus 1, 6. Plus we have 3 carry. So it will be 67. What we should do? Write 7 here. 6 you take it as carry. Okay. Now 3 steps we have completed. First we have done units and units. Then we have done units and tens, cross multiplication and addition. Then we have done the third step, units and hundreds into units and hundreds. That you have added, along with that tens into tens you have multiplied, and also you have added, you got 67, 7 you have written, 6 carries there. What is the next step? Ones over, tens over, hundreds over. Now don't take the units place numbers at all. Take only tens place and hundreds place. Okay. 8 into 2. 8 2s are 8 2s are, let us write here. Answer 60. Okay. These two you have multiplied. And these two means it is tens and hundreds. 6 4s are 24. Add those two. Then it will be 10, 0 here, 1 carry, that will be 40 plus 6 is carry, so that is 46. So what we should do? We have to write here 46 means 6 we should write. Again 4 as carry. What is the next step? Then stay left in the previous. Now you have to leave even tens place number. Only hundreds place number we have to multiply. 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 4 can. 8 plus 4, 12. This is the answer. How to do this 3-digit numbers when there is carry. You have to keep the pattern in the mind so that you can do it easily. What we should do? First multiply units and units. Write the answer. Then tens and tens. Sorry, units and tens. Cross multiplication and addition. Third step is units and hundreds, cross multiplication, addition, plus tens into tens. That also must be added later with these numbers. That is the third step. Fourth step, once you complete all the numbers, leave units place, multiply tens and hundreds. Write the answer. If you have carry, take it. If not, write the number. That is hundreds. Units you left. Now, leave even tens place. Next step, you have to leave tens also. Only you have to multiply the hundreds place number. Write the answer. If you have any carry, add that. If there is no carry, write it as it is. By using this way, this is called criss-cross method. So you can do the multiplication in only one step. Okay. So what I have written all here, addition, you don't need to write. You have to do it everything in mind. So you should understand what I am doing so that I am writing all this. Actually, everything you have to do it in the mind. Just add the number, write the answer. In the same way, let us do a simple sum without writing anything, doing it everything in the mind. Let us check that now. Let us see the next one. Just we'll write a simple number. So you will understand easily what we have to do. Just we'll write only 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. Okay. So you multiply this without writing anything. Everything we have to do it in the mind. What is the first step? 1 into 2. 1 into 2, 2. What is the second step? Cross multiplication of units and tens. 2 2s are 4. Plus 2 1s are 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. That is the second step. What is the third step? Units and hundreds, tens and tens, all the multiplication, then addition. So 2 into 1 is 2. Plus 2 into 1 is 2. 4. 4 and 4. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. That is the third step. What is the fourth step? In the once if you complete all the numbers, leave units place, multiply rest of the numbers. So 2 into means tens and hundreds. 2 into 1 is 2. Plus 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now what to do? In this step, we left units. Now leave tens also, multiply only hundreds. 1 into 2 is 2. That is answer. Okay. So this is how everything you have to do it in the mind. Smaller number or the bigger number. I have taken the smaller number so that you can understand this. Okay. This is how we have to do this crisscross method of multiplication by using Vedic Mathematics Sutra. So this is what in this video. In the next video, let us see more and more Vedic mathematics tricks and easy maths. Till then, bye-bye.